How you doing, guys? Welcome back. Hope everyone's well this evening. I'm going to have a really quick look at PolySwarm, which has got the NCT token ID. Essentially, this is a new listing on Coinbase, and it's got Poly in the name, so it was always going to fly off to the moon. Is the move done? Who can tell? So for now, what I can say is within a 12-hour period, we had a near enough 210% pump, and it looked good. We had a little swing, we met resistance, and as such we had a good swing move which pumped us up to almost a 2x from circa 4 cents up to almost 8 cents, and then we had a retracement. As you'd expect, something moves like that, you get a period of sell-off, but the bullish momentum continued, broke through the next significant resistance that we had, and then we whipped up. We flew, and I think this was a retail move, and yeah, it looks like a retail move if I'm being brutally honest, but from the lows to the high we went from 4 cents to just over 12.5, which is great. As such, we've had a big sell-off, brought us right back to near enough our starting point. We began at 4 cents, this kind of rested easy at 5, and then the move has continued. So what to look for now will be a move back up to 7.5 cents, and if the bullish momentum will continue, we should see a move straight through or a little swing and a pump, same way we saw back here, swing and then a pump. If this thing is going to follow suit, it'll probably staircase upwards, find some resistance, and then do something like that, and then come back, tail off before continuing the move. So if this thing wants to remain bullish, that's the pattern to look for. Worst case scenario, we may actually wick back up, be rejected, and then tail off back to the 4 cent mark, which would show the move is over. I don't see that happening, if I'm brutally honest. I do think this blue line plays out, but with such a new token, I haven't looked into the tokenomics of it, but we have got quite a few bullish tokens at the moment, and they are just popping off, which is really good to see. But equally, be very careful with your investments. So if you don't see a nice play which gets us back up to circa 7.5, or if you see us tail off very quickly from there, then this probably isn't one to invest in the short term if you haven't already got an open position. If you do, I'd be cautious to look at your buy-in zone, how long you've had this, and where you expect it to go, or what would be a comfortable position to remove your profits. For me personally, I would be looking at circa the 10 cent mark, possibly even the 12, and in the immediate short term, if we catch a rejection at 7.5, I would want to be out of this by 7. Alright, best of luck, take care.